In this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix YouTube. This content cannot be or it should not be listed available right now or try again later. Or if you're going to encounter this kind of an issue, that is this content isn't available, please try again later. That this is what we have to do. So the first one is all about we need to force restart the page. So to do so, we have to press few buttons from the keyboard. That we need to press Ctrl, Shift and R together. You have to press it. So what happens is it will be like refreshing a page like this. So after the refresh, you have to check. So sometimes, a refresh is what we need to do all the time. So it will be fixing all of the things. So you have to try this and you have to check. If not, what you need to do is you have to go over here at the top, click on this particular icon over here. Now from here, we need to navigate to the cookies and site data. And from here, you have to click on manage device site data over here and click on this. And right now, the reason why this is happening because of the cache that is being generated. So what you need to do is you have to go over here, try deleting all these things one by one. You should be deleting all these things one by one. This is actually the cache that is being replicated here. So make sure that you have to delete all these things one by one. Once done, you have to check with it. Still, if you're having the trouble, then you need to try with clicking on the three-dot menu. From here, we need to navigate to the extension and go to the manage extension. Now over here, if you're having any kind of an extension, that is one of the reasons why this is happening. So you have to disable the extension from here. So disable the extension. Afterwards, you have to check with it. Still, if there is an issue, you can try with turning off the VPN. So to do so, we have to go over here, type of both the settings, and we have to click on the settings here. Once you get into the settings, we have to go to the network and internet. From here, we have to go to the VPN. And what you need to do is we have to try turning off the VPN from here. Once the VPN is turned off, we have to close this and you have to check with it. And this is what we have to do. And I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.